Debt service coverage ratio loan, DSCR loan. So you have an investment property, you have a lot of equity in it, and you want to get cash out so you can maybe buy another investment property or just consolidate some debt or whatever you want to do with it. You can get cash out of an investment property and not have to list any income on the application. So the way this works is it's going to be qualified off of your credit score and it's going to be qualified off of the cash flow on the property. So as long as the property cash flows for at least 0.75 percent of the rental amount, then it would qualify. So what does that mean? That means if you have $1,000 mortgage payment, as long as you get $750 in rent, then that loan would work. So the way this would work, you can have a 660 credit score or above. You can get up to 25% or have up to 25% equity in the house. So you can go up to 75% of the value as far as cash out. And the cash out can be used for your reserves. So reserves are mortgage payments after you close. So if the mortgage again was $1,000 and you needed 3 months of reserves, as long as you take $3,000 cash out, then that loan would qualify. So if that's something you're interested in, mortgagesbyscott.com. I lend in North Carolina, South Carolina, and Florida.